Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So in today's video we are going to make a succulent arrangement out of this one. So I decided that I am gonna use this one here to arrange these three types of succulents. So I have here my first lady Echeveria. Yes, that's my Echeveria first lady. I'm gonna use it here, and I have my three variegated string of pearls, and this one here I forgot the name again. I'm going to attach the name later, so let's go. Oh, by the way, I decided to use this one. It has a plug here, so this is also detachable. So if I wanted to detach it, there you go. Yeah, and I'm just gonna plug it here right now, or I'm just gonna unplug that because I am going to grow. Maybe I'll just unplug one of that. Just gonna unplug all of this. Oh my. And I have this garden fabric. I'm gonna use it because I am again going to use some of these clay pebbles to prop that one there. That way I don't use too much soil, you know, to lessen the heaviness of this. So let's just pour some of that here. So maybe that's enough. Yes, and then we are going to put this as usual. Like so. Let's just move this here so I can see it. There you go. I'm gonna use it later. So here's my soil, my cactus mix, cactus succulents mix, the one that I mixed before. Yeah, that's just how I mix my my soil for my succulents and cacti. I'm going to put this at the center. Wow, these roots are just so nice. You see, I think, I don't know what they're using for their succulents, but I don't think it will survive here in my place because it's always gonna be rainy all the time. So my mix, it's composed with coconut coir, a perlite, and succulent mix. See that it's so full of these media, but it doesn't need that much actually. these are my propagations. Let's just add it here because they're still kids, you know, babies. So this is, guys, the finished product of my arrangement today. I put all of these are all my propagations starting from here to here. Those came from the leaves that get dropped off whenever I was trying to unbox them. So these are the first batch of those propagations. So that's my succulents arrangement. So I only use one pot of this one because you see they are just cuttings rooted. So I just put it this way, that way they grow all like that there, and they're going to drop like this. So thank you everyone for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.